If you're signing contracts in Bali without a lawyer review, you're risking 500 million rupiah in hidden fees, and here's how to do it right. Here's the problem: most foreigners in Bali sign deals without knowing the real legal cost. It's expensive. TheBaliLawyer charges 5 to 10 million rupiah for standard contract review within 3 days. DIY contract mistakes cost an average 50 million rupiah in dispute fees and lost deposits. Contract review in Bali isn't just paperwork. You're protecting your money, your visa status, and your property rights under Indonesian law. A real scenario: a foreigner buys a villa off-plan without legal review. The developer adds 200 million rupiah in undisclosed fees midway. The contract was deliberately vague about payment terms. Within 6 months, the buyer loses 300 million rupiah in deposits and can't recover it. This is exactly why TheBaliLawyer exists, to catch these traps before you sign. Most people fail here. They use a cheap local translator instead of a lawyer who knows Indonesian contract law. A translator tells you what the words mean. A lawyer tells you what you're actually obligated to do under Indonesian civil code. The difference costs millions. Do not skip this step. TheBaliLawyer's legal team reviews every clause for hidden liability, not just word-for-word translation. Book a consultation with TheBaliLawyer within 24 hours of receiving the contract. Upload the document via WhatsApp or Zoom. The team reviews it in 2 to 3 business days and flags every risk. Cost ranges from 5 million rupiah for simple rental agreements to 15 million rupiah for commercial or property deals. This single step prevents costly disputes later. This is important. Ask TheBaliLawyer specifically about termination clauses, liability caps, and hidden fees in the payment schedule. Most Indonesian contracts bury penalties in fine print that foreigners miss. TheBaliLawyer's 20-year track record in Bali legal matters means they know exactly where developers and landlords hide the trap clauses. They'll explain each one in plain English so you actually understand your exposure. Here's the problem: DIY contract reading usually takes 15 to 20 hours and still misses critical legal language. You're stressed, you guess wrong, and you sign. The right way: TheBaliLawyer spends 3 to 5 hours on full review, catches every risk, and explains it clearly. You sign confident. Cost difference is 10 million rupiah versus 300 million rupiah in future losses. If you do review the contract yourself, use this exact search. Look for the words pembatalan, denda, biaya tersembunyi, and perpanjangan otomatis in any Indonesian language section. These mean cancellation, penalties, hidden fees, and auto-renewal. Circle every instance. Then email the document to TheBaliLawyer and ask them to translate your concerns into a formal legal review. They'll validate your findings in 1 to 2 business days. This hybrid approach costs 7 to 8 million rupiah instead of a full review. Email TheBaliLawyer and write, "I need a contract review for a rentals property to commercial agreement in Bali. The contract is N pages, dated, date, and covers brief subject. Please provide a risk summary and timeline." They respond within 4 hours with a quote and turnaround date. No back and forth, no confusion. Bali contract review costs 5 to 15 million rupiah through TheBaliLawyer. DIY mistakes cost 50 to 300 million rupiah in disputes and fees. Hire a lawyer before you sign, not after. If you're signing a contract in Bali, book a free consultation with TheBaliLawyer today. Hit like, subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer.com for help protecting your assets. Visit TheBaliLawyer.com.